We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa DIYs and on our simple slow living. This is our Sicilian Dolce vita. Venite con noi. Buongiorno.
Good morning from Sicily. That is rainy today.
Well, it's not really raining now, but anyway.
No, it's stopped now, yeah.
It's stopped now. We found out that every last Sunday of the month, there's a huge vintage market in Modica. So we've never been, and we know that a lot of people do like when we go to our local vintage market, and we want to go and see if we can find something different.
Something with a difference, yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to go check out this market in Modica. Come along with us.
Let's go.
So guys, when I go to the market, I like to take a little basket, but as you can tell, this one has had better days. And guess what I've just bought? Oh my goodness, I love it. I just put my scarf in it. This is coming with me to the market this morning. So pretty. Look at that. No mirrors. Do you like it? Yeah. Here we are. Look. Regalo.
So we've met up with this lady who's following us on YouTube.
I follow you too. Oh, thank you. So crazy, another YouTube friend here.
There you go.
I told my friends, I said, wait a minute, I see a YouTube friend.
Oh, we need to slow down.
Yes, and we I just disappeared. I came running chasing you. Very nice, very lovely.
Ah, ok, per impastare. Enorme. Abbiamo la Smart. Grazie. What's Massi found? What's that, Mass? Oh, it's a little flute. Get mixed up, flute.
It doesn't work.
Look at this frog. It's incredible. What game is this?
Like a roulette game.
Buona domenica. Grazie, grazie mille.
Some more plates that I needed. Very nice.
Oh dear, more dishwashing.
I think Massi wants to buy un'ape. Yeah, right. Can you believe it?
Try these out.
Quindi panificato, il basto, pochissimo lievito, pochissimo, con un po' di quasi niente, più olio. Viene destinata come una lasagna condita e rigirata. Ed ecco che questa qua è la scaccia.
E questa è la
Invece
scaccia.
il ragusano
Ah,
è sempre
ok.
differente di noi.
ragusano.
È fatta sempre in base di sema.
Okay, so the owner of the bar is now explaining to us the difference between voda, which come from Ragusa, and scacce, which are modicane. And he's just showing us the difference in how they roll them and fold them and what they have inside. He says that in Ragusa they use a lot of cheese, and here in Modica they don't use any cheese at all because you need to taste the flavor of whatever you're putting into these scacce.
Bravo, però non esagerare perché si vedono i sapori.
Esatto.
Vedono i sapori. Io se ne
Non
posso...
senti nient'altro, solo
Bravo, tu senti solo il formaggio, senti solo il formaggio.
Sì, sì.
Voi avete mangiato l'arancina?
No.
No. Noi l'arancina la facciamo senza formaggio e senza mozzarella.
Vero.
Ed è una bella arancina. Invece,
senza il parmigiano.
niente, quelli li facciamo sotto dilazione. Buongiorno ragazzi, scusate, stavo spiegando, perdonatemi. Ha capito?
Sì, sì,
E
sì.
l'arancina, le rosse sono più gettonate perché hanno un sapore, ha il sapore di assaggiare il riso, ha il sapore di assaggiare quello che c'è all'interno.
Esatto.
C'è gente che io vedo nelle paste, una cantarella di formaggio. C'è, ha capito? Non è
Sì, sì.
No, giusto.
Bravo, grazie.
Ce n'è tre. Due da portare via.
Okay, so while Massi is bringing his drone back because it's a little bit windy, we just sat here in a beautiful piazza. It is so sunny, isn't it, Mas?
Yeah, it's really
like we
sunny.
left Siracusa worried that maybe the market wouldn't be on because it had rained all evening. And as we were driving towards Modica, the sun, the clouds just opened up. Anyway, so we've just come out of that bar, which is called Piccolo Bar. We asked a local where we could eat some really good scacce. I always call it scacce, but it's actually scacce. And he indicated us to this little bar. When we saw it from the outside, we were like, oh, looks like a bit of a, like a little dodgy bar. But the scacce were amazing. The gentleman was so friendly. And he's had this bar for 53 years. Can you believe it? Nearly as old as me. Anyway, now we're just chilling in this piazza. So many beautiful things to look at. We're enjoying our day. We might grab a coffee somewhere and then we'll slowly make our way home. Has your drone arrived?
No, I'm just taking another quick flight somewhere.
Okay, he's taking a quick flight. Enjoy your flight then.
I will do.
Put your seatbelt on. Anyway, okay. See you later on. Grazie. Okay, so Massi just met the owner of the Vespa, and the guy's just giving him all this info on how much he paid to repair and get it all beautifully done like it is now. Mazzo, complimenti comunque.
Per veliciare 500 euro per il mercato. 500 euro.
Wow, look at that view, guys. Okay, so the kind gentleman told us to come up to the top where all these antennas are to get the best view, and boy was he right. Beautiful, hey? We found Modica discreet, proud, beautiful and elegant. Right, I'm just following Massi. I don't know where he's taking me. Let's see if we can get another good view somewhere. Wow! Everywhere you look is gorgeous. Very, very windy.
Scacce.
Yeah. We need to do this maybe when we're dressed differently one day. This leads all the way probably down into the city. Beautiful. Right. We've got no microphones, so I'm going to speak up.
Yeah, you need to talk loud because the wind's going to bother you.
We can't fly the drone because it's far too windy.
Yeah.
So we've taken a few photos, which will be just as nice, I guess. Anyway, we're making our way back to the car and we're going back home. It's been a lovely, lovely morning.
It has been an excellent morning.
I bought a little bell that I can attach to Massi.
And I bought a knife to cut the bell off.
That's true. This little bell, little brass bell to go with my little brass objects that were my mom's, and I'm just going to continue a few things with brass because I think it looks really pretty next to this lamp that I bought a couple of weeks. So that was one thing. And Massi got himself a very sweet little knife. He loves old knives. Okay, so that's that one over there. Very sharp. And this was the one he got beforehand with the handle that is a little bit broken, but he just loves collecting knives. He's always had pocket knives all his life and he just loves them. Okay, and the other thing that I got were some more plates to go with these. Now they're not the same, they are slightly different. If you can see, they've got this beautiful gold design here, but if I when I lay the table and I've got lots of people, what I can do is just put one type and one the next, and no one will even notice. And even if they do, I think it's nice when you mix and match plates. So I got 6 of those, and now I have 12 altogether. So when I have a nice big dinner or whatever lunch, I have beautiful plates, which I love. I hate using plastic plates, which a lot of Sicilians still love doing, even though they say they are like semi-recyclable. I don't believe it, and I don't like food. It tastes rubbish on those plastic plates. So we are back from Modica. We had a lovely morning. The reason I wanted to go to Modica also was to find a little bistro table to go with my green chairs, my garden chairs, just to have this little area here in front of the mountains, a little bistro table, metal table, that we could just, you know, pop our drinks on. Anyway, we couldn't find any bistro table. They had loads of thick wooden tables which were lovely but just didn't go. I had a brilliant idea. We used to have an old floor lamp outside, and I took it away because it just got really old and tatty. But Massi, of course, kept the base, because Massi never throws anything away. And I went and picked it up. This was a good thing that he didn't throw it away. Went and picked up the base and asked Massi, are you able to build me a little bistro table that I could paint? And he was like, leave it up to me. So he is now busy building this bistro table. Let's go and have a look at what he has built. Okay, so this is the little base that we found. As I said before, it was a floor light, which had its days. Anyway, so Massi's now made a base. He's so clever, look at that. And we're going to paint that, and then we're going to put a very thin wooden top. Okay, look at that. That's the base. It's perfect. Bad news, I didn't find any paint. So I'm going to have to go and buy some paint. I have to probably paint the chairs again. Every year I have to paint them. They get very rusty. Now we just need to find the top to complete it. Is it ready, Miss?
No, not quite, but yeah, it will be.
Can't believe you got it so clean and back to its original state. Beautiful.
Good, isn't it?
Yep. This is not a good one,
The last breath of summer is blowing down our necks, and soon we'll wave goodbye to the fleeting bliss, because you are like a tidal wave was ripping up my life, not living without a trace. And you know that I'm your silent patient. You know I'm your silent.
Grazie, thank you for watching this week's video. If you haven't already subscribed, then please do so, like and comment. It really helps us grow a little. Thank you. See you next week with a brand new one. Ciao.